Connect a USB-B device to a USB Type-C port on a laptop, desktop computer, tablet, or other device. Connect the USB-B port of a hard drive, hub or other device a USB Type-C port. Designed to support USB 3.0, USB 3.1 Gen 1, communication and features. Backwards compatible with USB 3.0 devices. Color-coded blue and labeled to designate USB 3.0, USB 3.1 Gen 1, feature support. Connectivity technology, USB 2.0. Connector type, USB-C to USB 3.0B. This USB 3.0, USB 3.1 Gen 1, USB-C to USB-B cable is the perfect solution for connecting a hard drive, hub, or other device that has a USB-B port to a computer, tablet or other device that has a USB Type-C port for USB 3.0, USB 3.1 Gen 1, communication. The color-coded USB Type-C connector allows this cable to be easily identified as a USB 3.0, USB 3.1 Gen 1, cable and differentiated from other cables which may support a different feature set. The USB Type-C connector is smaller than traditional USB connector and features a symmetrical design which allows it to be easily connected on the first try. Additionally, the durability of the USB Type-C connector allows for up to 10,000 connection cycles. This cable supports a data rate up to 5 gigabits per second for data transfer and sync with 5 volts and 1 amp of power for device operation and charging. Top reviews from the United States. Just the cable I needed. A shame I wasted $70 on the Apple FW800 connectors. They were not the right solution for my Glyph 4T FW800 Studio drive. Glyph finally sent me the link to the correct product. If you have lots of old and useful drives around which are not USB-C, check with the manufacturers first before buying adapters.